Nakikon sila ng
Kumalo na yung ano. Kumalo na yung...
Sige, bro, sige.
Kaya papatay na isa, boy. Ba ito,
Okay,
pumasok.
okay, ready. Ready.
Wala na, ano ka ba?
Okay. I mean, reset. Reset. Kite.
Gago ko, nagulat ako.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Get out from the chok.
Reset. Change to resist spot.
Ready yung PB, ready yung senior pre, ready. Heal naman ng turbo.
Ready.
Ano pre ah? Ready. Wait lang. Paila ko. Bro, Loki. If they try to engage on our DPS, you stop them, okay? Okay, ready. Catch up. Ready, now. Here. Nice.
Gago ka.
Nakikon. Alito.
Okay, catch up. Insap, DPS.
Ready. Defense ready.
Okay, DPS. Oh my god, sorry.
Gago.
And, kite.
Ready.
Everyone, kite. Bro, can you stop? Ready.
Ready.
Go. Kite.
Ready.
Gago, heal. Heal everyone. Ready DPS.
Yes, ready.
Help me. Please heal.
VOC or no?
Can you OC? Someone can you OC? Then put up.
Wait, I resist to...
Come. Another team.
I'm 5 seconds. Where are you?
Wait. Heal here.
Ito sila.
Gago pre, ibang team na to. Come here south.
Meron sa likod natin, ha.
Cut? Can you cut?
Wait lang pare, mag-i-engage sa atin pre. Mag-i-engage to.
Back.
Okay, hit back.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh,
Nice,
come back. South.
3 dead. Come here. Kill.
Kaya ako.
Kill. Nice. Catch up.
Boy, side the jacket, bro.
Nice.
Uy, meron sa likod, ha.